Trenton may have potentially came up with a awesome name for the truck, just based off of those gussets and the fact that it's going to be black when it's done.
Yeah.
And the name is... Back out here at Jordan's, we are going to do a little more work on the four-wheel drive conversion on the C30. And guys, if y'all have not been following along or you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you'll go subscribe. But what we are working on is a 1986 C30 that we are converting to four-wheel drive. Gonna completely strip this thing down and do a full restore on it. I don't think it's gonna be SEMA quality because I don't have that kind of money, but it is gonna be everyday driver quality, and that is fine with me. Hope you guys will follow along. So let's just see here. I have not shown y'all. I purchased a engine crossmember from CFM Industries. And this thing is pretty sweet. But what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to get that prefabbed in. I bought some gussets off of Summit. We're gonna go ahead and get those attached. They're just little 3-inch gussets, kind of look like a spider web, but that'll help add some strength. I'm gonna drill some holes right here in the frame through to this spring perch mount and put some bolts in it, also for some additional strength. And if it will ever stop raining long enough, I will pull the axles out of my other truck and work on them in my temporary shop. I don't know if that video is coming before this one or not, but if it came before it, go check it out. And if it hasn't come yet, y'all stay tuned, go subscribe, and we will see that together. Whatever it was, putting that shop together, which is just a temporary Harbor Freight carport. But anyway, all right guys, let's see what we can do.
Happy New Year. First fireworks I've seen. You gonna measure that?
Measure? Hell no.
Just eyeball it?
What's a tape measure?
I don't know. I've heard about them. You gotta back that far up to see how it looks. So it's gonna be so visible when the truck's all put together.
I know. Are you videoing?
I have been this whole time.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know.
I thought you knew.
Trenton may have potentially came up with a awesome name for the truck, just based off of those gussets and the fact that it's gonna be black when it's done.
Yeah.
And the name is Black Widow.
That's it.
I think I like it. But, you know, when somebody asks why it's named Black Widow, I'm gonna be like, well, because it's black. And then, come here. Oh, yep. What? Up under there's some spider webs. So.
Yep, right there. Just throw it in there, it fits.
Trenton decided he was cold, so.
I'm not cold, I'm just saying fire would be nice. About all gas. You better use what you got.
I don't know if we'll get it started with just Travers. I told you to quit leaving your pads over here.
Did I leave that here? I put that in my truck. Sorry.
I don't know if this is gonna fit. Well, our fire did not get going. I'm disappointed to say. I'm not sure why. But we've successfully smoked up Jordan's shop. And I'm not sure it's even safe to be working in here right now, but never hurt anybody.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, it turns out the rubber mallet will not get this cross member far enough. So I probably should just stop beating on it and back up and figure out what the heck's wrong. So
Yeah, 'cause the more you beat on that, the harder it's gonna get.
thank you, Trenton, for that expert advice. Everything's been going so smooth. I knew there had to be something that'd be complicated, and it'd be the cross member for the engines. On a positive note, these gussets look badass, and we got a good name for the truck. And on top of that, I picked out a kind of a deep red, deep shiny kind of red to go under this truck, or just in various locations that I'm gonna powder coat. So Black Widow is perfect. That is the name of this truck now.